previously on Cops.
Just don't tell the police. Uh-oh.
He coming for you.
Oh my gosh.
He coming for you.
No, I told you not to tell them. I have to go. Bye.
No, you don't want the water?
No. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Elmo did nothing wrong. You'll never catch Elmo alive. Ha ha ha. Do you know how to get to Sesame Street from here?
Yeah, actually. Once you get to the stop sign,
Right.
you want to take another, you want to take a right.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Do you want to make farm animal sounds with me?
yes.
What does the horsey say?
Nay.
Nay. What does a lizard say?
I have no idea.
That's a snake.
Oh.
What does a Pikachu say?
I don't know.
Pikachu!
Yeah.
I ain't gonna front Elmo. You running my drive the time up.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I did not mean
Oh,
to.
this a Tulsa.
Yeah.
What are you doing playing with Elmo driving a Tulsa, sir? Come on, Elmo, get your mans and tell him to sit up.
He wants you to sit up.
I can't sit up.
Why do you want us to sit up?
Yo, this is crazy right now.
Isn't
Did
it?
you change?
Okay, just put it in my mouth.
I don't want you to choke.
It's okay.
It's okay. You choked?
Hold on. Okay, I'm good now.
Okay, here's a cookie, one at a time, okay?
Okay, that's one cookie. 2, 3. I'm like Cookie Monster, but I'm red.
Okay.
You want a cookie?
No, not Cookie Monster.
Not Cookie Monster?
No.
Do you have any money?
Well, Elmo's broke, because Elmo lost his job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you better get it then.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yummy, yummy.
All
Good
right.
for my tummy.
All right, I'll be back with your sandwich now. Get
Okay.
your teeth right. Get
Okay.
your teeth right. Get your
Okay.
teeth right.
My favorite entertainment is Sesame Street, man. It's my favorite stuff.
Wow, but you're a grown man.
Is there a person? No.
No, it's just a floating Elmo.
Oh no.
Hi, I'm Elmo.
Oh my god, I'm very weak.
What's wrong with them?
What's your name?
I'm Elmo.
Elmo what?
Elmo. Yummy.
I just dropped the nickel in his. Are you recording us?
It's for an episode of Sesame Street. Come on, woman. Oh no. Okay, I got it. Elmo's round.
Alright, cool. Get on my drive.
Oh, that's not very nice.
Elmo keeps playing.
Okay.
Look.
My hands are broken.
Your hands are broke. Okay,
Yes.
Elmo.
I have to go to the hospital after this.
You want some hot sauce?
I want a lot of hot sauce.
Okay, that matches your color too.
Yes, I see you've been watching Sesame Street. You know your colors.
Bam.
I'm trying.
Oh,
no.
sorry, Elmo. Sorry, couldn't catch
Oh
you.
God, you
Here's
just
your food,
littered.
Elmo. Now I want to see you
You're
get this bag,
a bad
Elmo.
person. You just littered. Bye bye.